Joe Abladiapi, Che Ofele if you were drumona, Opelendi e bawayi, e honey, uchi e alogo. Esa uchi e banina wo e con. Nitamo binu wo fiole tane. Keji wabahi sempe. Wake Aayɛ Ŋkɔmɔ Aajwɛŋ. Shia ne mimpe wo yonkomo ye. No machine no wo dwa to enbe ye. Ke menhye. Ke wo yonkomo no wo dwen ke wona ekome. Ka wo kotokua mi ke wo habiana. No wo ba isane no ni sa wo ba agba isane. She bomoden akeshi. Wo ba foni ni no cho nyamiko. Ni onyami ache onyamiko. Like I know uba share oha onyeme strotwe ni oyo. Bona fe when egbine ni kasemo no ba kasene ehi abase na mo aha wo fen meni yo wa kuchenke wo hyiamle keke gbeno ni sa ke wo chon no wo chon no eye emu pepepe wake Aayɛ Ŋkɔmɔ Aajwɛŋ imbe agi ni bi chafrutu ni mo ni wo ka ba ye be achole
Godfred Kofi Amoini answer.
Yo. Wafitebe waka wasane ba chano. Mr. Godfred, nwa ajobo akeshi nwafoni ni wachebu ona be oba ohawo. Shiko meko meta o mabi moniji Godfred jogba adienche. Kake Godfred amwani ansa na money.
Godfred Amoini answer. Well, just a normal person that is a bit curious, small man and wants to make money, basically. But I like means small legal things.
Okay.
So I find myself in legal service support services. Yes. The basics I did IT. I'm inclined with tech systems, information systems, forensics, data analysis, like an EDA. So I would say I am an individual who is merging the two, looking at the current technological advancement. I want to make a profitable venture in that line, but we'll see how God will carry us. I'm not a lawyer yet. I'm not a lawyer, but I like to be curious about legal things. That is
okay, you wala don. Wanta o wakwe Saje Kome ni gba mambi ana. Titri no ni gba meni yo gbanashin lemle. Mokoni tag gbanashin lehi. Ke monu iye aplanke. Ini blofo me fo le chamwa ke side chick le iye aplanke. Ke moni lenche ta stay as ni kudo. Wo ba gba le kesane ne ni liashi le kesane ne o heli emi jogba no oba isen ke ake gbanashin le kra gbanashin le marriage de itself mini mla ko ye gbanashin le
it's deep. Onake marriage traveled from way back Adam and Eve time. Okay, oba be Christians me ba answer wake God created Adam and Eve, so man was made for a woman and it is 1-to-1. From that time, evolutions till what current stay, marriage is part of us. Marriage is one thing that, it's a choice. When you care or marry, but care or decide that care about marry, like you said, there are some rules and regulations who guide on marriages. Yes. My type of marriage in the crowd without nobody.
Oh, okay. Well, nature marriage, I am instructed.
I am instructed.
Okay.
Different kinds of marriages. You know, of marriage, has some laws backing it. So there are different types of marriages.
Yeah. And I'm married, yeah.
Oh yes.
Wow.
Yes. I think she can you understand. Before no ba marry, I can so kwa area bisa. Ka ke kwa area bisa, not necessarily ake ubekumen, lu ubekumen sani. But mla ni for marriage ya fa ban asanole no ko he ya bote onu shishi no fi other consultations. So that's our marriage.
Okay. It was marriage okay, I am married this shortly. ye Ghana alo ye magic coco man.
J Ghana pe, but onake law say, let me sound this as a caveat again. I am not a legal person, I'm not a lawyer, I'm just someone who is curious about the law. I like to read, I like to ask questions if you so I had different kinds of marriage like we said. Yellow bar marry as I know what rules it is regulating that kind of marriage. I don't know if your question is seeking for me to answer the types of marriages that we have.
Yeah.
So basically in Ghana, I know there are 3 types of marriages.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the ordinance marriage, Niji, or normal legal marriage, court marriage, Islamic marriage.
Okay.
Niji, actually Mohammedan's marriage. Yeah, Niji, when you meet Muslims, some of the laws back on a marriage. But you're married up to 4 wives. Or customary marriage. Well, there's no limit. But you're married as many as you want. But the caveat is that that is the guideline. Limits. So in Ghana, we have these 3 types of marriages, but all have their own consequences. Marriage itself is an institution that I don't know if I'm speaking the right way.
Yes.
There's a perception, and too much freedom too has its own limitations. So you need to be guided. So basically in Ghana, there are these kinds of marriages. Keji or marriage, ordinance marriage. You are not allowed to go beyond 1 wife. Nike or marry ordinance marriage here, Germany, US, other countries. In Ghana, it is recognized. That is the case of Afenyo versus Afenyo. That's the legal authority. Me, I may marry legally. I think it was in England. Me, when they came down to Ghana, me and Papa husband never noticed that Asuma Ghana. Manya fee customary no buy unlimited. Okay. At this time, I have decided to denounce my ordinance marriage and then step down to customary marriage. The woman where we married is in England. We called no fee divorce. But as a matter of fact, they were all lost on the focus of what the law says. So ni sanity court balasani or the conclusion was that the laws in England as in under marriage is applicable here, but you can't step down that marriage and do ordinance. But Ghana courts they dissolve marriage. You do not necessarily need to go there and dissolve it. So that is the legal marriage. Or marry here England or anywhere. Local marry Ghana here, you can't step it down to do something else. If you want to dissolve the marriage, say baby so you can't do a legal marriage and then come and dissolve it customarily. You can't do a Mohammedan's marriage and then come and dissolve it customarily. You must follow the law. The other side, Mohammedan's marriage. They also have their dealings. Like I said, when you marry 4 maximum. When you marry 1 wife, but their customs, I'll have to clarify, but you may not need her consent. But morally, you care about so you may need the consent that you have. And then customarily too, when you marry 1, you can add up like others do. Okay, to know by exploded and you explode, but there are consequences.
Oh, okay. It was kind of kind. You like banai ne niji wawe kusuna banami botemo ke Muslim jamu na banami botemo ke mlana banami botemo Kusum Bangami Botemo Meg Beno Achon. Allo te achoni achiomi a divorce only.
Okay, kusum like customary marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, normally ke afi na ka marriage okay snap can it be babo kokoko the procedures where ote nuwe shia. Alona the you nuwe baba you shia. I know you present drinks, you know, those diaries and those engagements.
Yeah.
The normal way of the marriage that we know. We are court, we are signed. But you can register it.
Oh, okay.
Ke ofie gbena. No town ni bamlam. You can register it and convert that marriage to the other side.
Oh, okay.
Ownership. So that is how it is done. By the customary rights, you know, see the families, afi snap, afi diaries, can it be now that's a sorted. Ownership. And then I need there's another form of engagement here, this marriage journey. They neither do neke kusune. Court they eba sign. I hear me jolly no afo kume. I hear me jolly no 5 years, 10 years, 15 years eba. Afi properties. Some aspect of the law sees that as marriage. Yes. Because ke mla ba minaka ba kubebu ba kwasia.
Yeah.
So that is another aspect that the law would step in and regularize. Yes.
I should not buy if you make a law. You want if you're saying law about
the law there is certain down on it when you trigger it, then they baba me, baba feel me. I think it's marriage or that union name. Then some certain conduct ni fear. The court will infer into those conduct and come to a conclusion. Okay, mokubi ekpe. You understand? You have not gone to say kokoko or anything, but attaching fe jolly afo enyo afo 3. You know, and hear me afi ke uya funeral, birthday parties in your say at some point in time cry or introduce or you in wife ne get to momoku ye they perform the necessary rites.
Oh, okay.
To show okay mene in wife kuna my comfort friend kuna and all those things they do say it, they do those rites. The law will infer that as a marriage. The law will infer that as a marriage. Your conduct that you've lived for that time, the law will infer that as a marriage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I know, ni egbenamwe. Keji mla call like I know ake marriage. Makakeshi. Ni amefe omo ni amete ama register le hwe. Ani if ordinance allow is still customary marriage.
No, we are registered in court per ordinance. And this case was a Sifu versus Kwak. Kebale akan remomi actually as empnatwe aware.
Okay. Jolly femo.
Thank you very much. There was a case like that. Ni afi jolly femo huni. I mean the court inferred in that decision. Okay, it's a marriage because they went for funerals. They carried themselves as married couples. Okay, court per ordinance. Ordinance straight. Now it has been registered. And like marriage. I want to sound a bit biased, I know, but sometimes when I want to speak that way too, it doesn't only favor the women; it favors both parties. Yes, when I was young, I thought I can marry you, a favor you pay.
What favor like you pay favor?
Marriage doesn't favor only the women; it favors you too. I mean, properties can be, of course, nobody is saying you should die early, but if you want to kill yourself early and you go early, she will take the property early. If you want to wait to enjoy some, you wait to enjoy some. It favors you too because on our here we need somebody by us. somebody close to us. I mean, the children and all those things. I mean, aside that, I remember a time you were married, and then I mean, there's an other support. You get it. So it doesn't favor only. I mean, in this critical case, there's a headline case, or Daddy Lumbake, or Dobroni, and you know all these things. No, there was a time where that Lumba needed help, and according to commentary circulating, he was neglected. So for that reason, Odobroni came in, Priscilla Ofori came in, and so his demise, Priscilla Ofori was being a wife, or for lack of words, let me say, performing a wife duty. So it helps both part, not only the woman. But when it comes to property, I say it favors the women most of the time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but some men also benefit, not only them. Some men also benefit. Yeah. You get it. So worry about security, that's one also free man. You also have your chance.
Well, you have a party self in Bachon.
If it is registered marriage.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It is registered.
Yeah, like I've been on okay, make wo lala foloni ina eko ete mo fe wo chola keshi daddy Lumba issue come yakote social media ihe jemme me like ni mo ejeminate se be lono ni shiko kwe apele gbonyuwe ni me kale ekoye social media me na keshi niji kenkle ngani fatalo de kenshi kenkle le ete ekenjash angme yala ni abafi no game ba ke tablo angme no ni ekahin yara fiemo me ni we yale na kai.
It's rather unfortunate, but you see, from where I sit, I think this current case Ibawa in a direction, because this is a fight between the side chick, in quote, let me put it in, the side chick and the wives. It would bring a distinction between the side chick and the wife. The relief say ni Akosia Sewa Nijida de Lumba, first wife, so to put it, to explain it, she's seeking for is that Odobroni should not be recognized as a wife. Because legally, the first wife was married legally. Odobroni has not been married legally. That Lumba first wife, well, they didn't marry in Ghana, they married in Germany. But like I said earlier on, the German laws and the marriage is still recognized in Ghana. So you can come to Ghana and administer adjudication or a decision on that. That Lumba second wife, I've not heard much. I've just been reading letters. And he's going back and forth from that Lumba family to like a response to letter ni, that's injunction ni, mene a file. I see a property battle.
Oh, okay.
That's what I see. It's just a property battle. Because, I mean, some of the commentary too states that there's a time far back, as in 15 years before then, I think the first wife wrote a letter with the intention of seeking divorce. And in the letter, it was purported that she brought some drinks, returning those drinks to the other side of the family, that Luma family. Or can it be Yona? And someone would ask, that means that the marriage is nullified. Okay, marriage a good. But ko botem lam it doesn't mean so. Like I stated earlier on, if it is ordinance, it has to go to court. I read a letter that the Lumba lawyers then responded and called the bluff of Sewa, Akosia Sewa lawyers. They should go to court and initiate the divorce proceedings, and that Lumba has moved on. Now, moved on with whom? Odobroni. Equitably Although Bruni has stayed with Daddy Lumba for 15 years.
Wow.
Yes. They have 6 children.
And like me 15 years ne kene ye. Ni inga mumuwe.
In me Germany.
Ne ke.
The care Daddy Lumba small ye chon.
Iwo ben shile. Iwo shile ake shi ikemene ye. Lewe ye ya side.
So you see, so like we are talking about, the law sees it as the low common man, the reasonable man on the street will interpret it and understand it. So just like you are saying, you left or deserted your husband for 15 years, but that does not also legitimize okay, this second wife is a legal wife. What me we are this case
see mene efe ni
customarily
15 years.
Yes.
He la mine kwela o kwa shibiane. Efe ko ine kele nshi keke.
Customarily ake afi traditional right niji kokoko and all those things that asane afi. You understand? Ake afi. So let's say it is done. Then that means the legend or that Lumba has committed bigamy. Bigamy is a criminal offense. Nike will marry the ordinance where that is you marry one, you can't come and marry more. So ke if naka ni the wife sat there unconcerned ni kwe. That means she also waived her right to press charges against Daddy Lumba for performing bigamy. But why? Remember I told you that Ake, she brought a letter, or is a fact that she brought a letter seeking for divorce when that Lumba left.
Social media.
Oh yeah, all these things are there. All these things. The letters are there. The response from Baba Jama and Associates, they are there. You get it. So now it becomes technical. I think this case will be an eye opener because you marry legally. A side chick can take over your marriage, and after a while, it will be okay. Then the law of polygamy will be useless. Of course, because if you marry and a side chick can come and stay with your husband for 15 years, have 6 kids, build houses, enjoy the fame, and afterwards it will be like okay, also your manager. But the people, sincerely, people marry because of property. Some people marry because of property. Some people marry because of companionship. Some people marry because of, some kind of attention and things they will get. And once they are put in a kind of relationship, they have all these things. So then what is the essence of bigamy then? Then we'll do customary, or we'll do the ordinance and still be seeing the side chicks.
Sunday ne idremo efe mi na ejiake. Wale ake ko bagana weku ne hi ogbala. Waka woku ne hi ogbala ni moku ebo dan. Mama ke woku ke ya ne ka fi o jiwe ni mano mi akeshi oshi machine alo bintin ne engane ewune ni afe na kan no ni actual kan gbe no ni akela kan dan no is it the same outside o dan ni ke ba ha mi na ye dan ba nke igba don ni kote baba mi ake mini wo ni ekeba ni woku ehie kote mu ba chon woku ni ke dabi.
I'm trying to get into man no question and shishi. But are you trying to say okay family here receive the drinks from Akusha Sewa, and again receive another drinks from Odobroni, and the court has intervened? I want to understand
that benini chon ake if first wife bona be ike dante ike ha no
family for the dissolution of the marriage.
Yeah, okay.
According to the letter Nike Ba, she stated in it okay, she brought those items. According to response, Ni Baba Jama and Associates returned to that letter, stated okay, indeed that action or that act was done, and they acknowledged. So if I am inferring into those conduct, then the marriage was dissolved customarily. But we go back to the roots, okay, we did an ordinance marriage. So even if the lady was sitting somewhere and was saying, Mijaya Warrior she went ahead to desert the man for 15 years till his demise. You know, women are very powerful. I mean, we are they are very, because they are the only people who can call a shot and still leave it and it will be valid. So she called a shot that our enemy Jai Minyebu. But she knew that so she stood there aloof, waiting for when the timing bomb will strike. Of course, that Ilumba could also file something we call dissertation of marriage. He didn't file. He could have gone to court and stated that in woman for this number of years we have this property. In Kele marry, in Kele teba, I dissolve marriage. I accepted or I deny. It deserts me. He didn't also do it. The woman could have also filed for bigamy. My husband has committed. I mean, who I may feel. So that means technically they all waived their right. Now the bone of contention is what becomes the fate of Otobroni. Are we legitimizing the side chicks? Is the court going to stamp on that? Because one thing, in the case of Humphrey Bonsu, long separation, long distance or separation, no matter how many years it takes, does not make a marriage divorce, or is not a way to dissolve a marriage. Okay, in wife here, ni womifu, ni in Chile, was separate for a long time. That doesn't mean okay, the marriage is dissolved. Yes.
See, in the case, okay, no ye.
Ni you don't consummate
for you keleye. Ni o Chile
for 6 months.
For 6 months. Africa say. Like I marriage,
it doesn't go. So it's a case by case basis. And then the court looks at the conduct. What is the substance of the matter? But like a court, fancy for because I is a second of thing. A chaha, nature. Yes. It depending on the merit of the matter.
Okay.
And how they want to hold it. Akeka o marry on the day of marriage, you don't consummate the marriage. The marriage is null and void. That is part of the loss. Akeka marrying, you desert your husband, you don't do the do for 6 months. It means, but this same law is saying in Humphrey Bonsu that if you separate for a longer time, it does not mean you have dissolved the marriage. Yeah. So depending on the case approach. So women are powerful. I mean, women are indeed powerful.
Sandy, I'm going. Manake, leke no ni ya no ye sewa ke
first wife te. First wife is sewa. The second is Odobroni. That is Priscilla for it.
Okay. Wo Sandy ni ya no ye amete. Ani eyagba me koko mana yejelem ejake manye ke nwanshi keke lenji ni ya homi ya nemba ne boe maka kishin kele
yes, you are right. It's a precedent that has to be looked at because Obanyo marry Moko ni if it's not care is not taken. Let me say, men or people will be taken advantage of. Because Ibana o status, Kibaba marry legally, Eshibo, Eti, Ibaya, time no bagbo, Kaubono, then they will surface. He was my husband, or she was my wife. That is why I feel like this subject matter is good. Ake umamile get court. Kuni court habani, okay. Some time ago, national service girl I don't want to mention the bank's name, but it was all over. Like a side chick issue. Imagine they had children, they made properties, which may be similar to what is happening. Let's say the wife of that man also deserted the marriage and then went. And then all of a sudden, you see, so it is a precedent that I feel like has to be looked at. I mean, there's a lot of commentary going on. I can appear to say, but pass a few comments about Odobroni should go and apologize. Can it be? But I think if we don't take good care of this kind of issues, the institution called marriage will be taken advantage of. People will enter into marriage, abuse people, do anything they want because they will say the law is the law. That is why equity will come in at some point in time. You understand? Okay. Councillor Lutro to able to me. We pass a few commentary and things. Yes, but the fact of the matter is, the first wife was married legally, and that marriage was not dissolved. Odobroni equitably has a stake in the matter. In Penatria Warrior, when I stated that there has been conduct inferred that Odobroni was a wife. She has gone to funerals, she has attended events, even on big platforms, she's been showcased. But that Lumba, it doesn't mean he knew exactly what he was doing, because the last show nature last year, he saw Ake on stage, he made reference to Sewa Ake, Sewa man of poison. Me yere your friend of Sewa man of poison, you get it.
Yeah.
That is a confirmation or alleges that he still saw Sewa as a wife after 15 years.
Nick a wife would you me to
you get it.
She honor, she not a fear of if any okay, 15 years, no can no year, no shile. Me never feel 15 years, good 15 years. Okay, no year. Ni oshile. Okay, papa kenepa. She obey my say. Hilani ba mole ke libi fe. Boko mota se. Le mwe chai le ke hilani. Boka mwe chai la ne ta. Abake mo ashine ya.
It's serious. I think that is where the court has to come in, because, like you said, I mean, you are a man. If there was a woman on the panel, I would have been glad, because she would have given me the female aspect of the debate. I can't see myself as a man. I mean, according to the commentary, it was stated that allegedly that that Lumba near the time near Germany, he requested to come down near Bachai. The wife decided that Ikeleba, and so that Lumba came down here alone. So originally they were living in Germany, and then this crisis came and all that. Then he decided to come back home, and the woman said, "One or two can it be?" And it was when it was his stay in Ghana. That letter came for the divorce with the intention, stating that Lumba was abusing her, that Lumba this, all this while, let's say they concluded to dissolve the marriage customarily. 15 good years. Could he have stayed alone? Could he have stayed alone? Star pie, star, share.
Ghana yau.
I can't get that. I can't do cranny. State of the Shetan Lumakra. Look at, I mean, it is alleged that KD had a lot of, you understand. Even some of these upcoming artists cry that Charlie, more like one or two crying as some smoke or like that. You know the kind of women they play with. You understand. So that Lumba, at that point, that allegedly, I hear he likes women. I can't say for a fact. It's part of the commentary. That Lumba is this, and you leave him in his sickness. So Odobroni comes in. Now she should go home with nothing. Now let's talk about the children. 6 children for 6 they can be ni Meneyo. Odobroni. The first wife has 3. Odobroni be some of them are below 18. Yeah. But I can state for a fact that Sewa they are all above 18. The list is 20 years. So are we going to leave these children? Equitably, the law will say that the children have a stake in their father's estate. And if they have a stake in their father's estate, who does it go to? This is not the matter. So that means that we are legitimizing side chicks. Kabashi game anyone try, she no try no one have any of I couldn't go and try, but won't have him.
Like a cat, I assume you can try your back catch on.
Oh, I manage me fit him.
Like a Mokoke, game a try in home. I know qualia call me. Moko in the mammy Kamoko Basani, call ye, Katia wouldn't fear, Sake, or chucking.
But you see,
it was a flat, I was here, dear Jay, it's your war.
Let's call a speed a speed. Let's call a speed a speed. I won't sit here. I mean, we are playing, but Charlie, it's actually fun when you are good. Yeah. Some elderly folks used to advise me, don't disrespect a woman.
Yeah.
Don't disrespect a woman. I'm not telling people to go and do side check, but if you happen to do that, Beman Yansafo, Yamfa side check in Bechere, or you don't let your wife feel insecure. She's the first. You get it? So, I mean, no trashu, but get to know that if when you're touching alone and you are able to manage your home, is good. Unless maybe the woman is giving you, still, let me put this caveat. I'm not saying if your wife is giving you pressure, go and find a side chick. But if you happen to find one, let's see what this court case will say. If you're happy to find one and she's giving you peace of mind, I don't know if your dog really give that a Lumba peace of mind. And it has happened this way. If I talk plenty, I'll commit suicide.
Well, I can't one year, I'm a sawa. Danny, we are Kashike, who can you cock and Yeshia. Nay, no, a jody, best I would take.
Exactly.
It's a near base, trotiano. In your chon, you can more dream. Can one now cry, can one now? If all bear one year. I mean, no, you want me. I mean, no, I mean, you want me.
Before Nimaba show, I was discussing with one of my bosses. Okay, I think this side check matter. Yes, men are stubborn at some point in time, but if the woman is able to hold her home, if she's able to hold her home, a lot of these things will be because me no buy she have problems. The woman knows that. See, the law favors the women. That one there. It is women and children. You, the man, you are not part of it. Now they are even passing laws, affirmative action. As an over women 30%. You get it? I mean, when you go home, you will do the chop money. The law favors the women. When the women know that I have done ordinance, the law favors me, they should slow down. Because when they start doing pressure, you do this, they won't even do anything to support you, or you are taking him out. Man, a blanche. Oh, Shele, Kayana Yoko. Ni the woman is good. Onale. Ibata show before nobody realize here, beg go down. Don't be na jagraja keke le go eta oni funeral le shishin ye permanence you mene be ke onye osu mogolo onyo no property aka ha boeku. Yeah, that is what Jagraja said. Papa Jagraja. So you see, I think if the women are able to hold the fort and know that although the law backs me, the man is my responsibility. Because but if you get to know that this is a man, it is my own. If he's worried, I need to find out can he be here. The side chick won't come in. But once you do that, the side chick, they give the coolers down. The coolers down. And if something is cooling you down too, you don't want to go and take hot boiling water. You maintain your ice water. You see that?
You want like side chick name or your name. Nita na me ye won work am no twu we fe no ba twa me again. Alo me be jebe.
No lele.
Wa shia ni cha won no po den che ko ye jeme.
Ebori
ko ye jeme. Na me wa me na keshi o mari. O ye nya o ye bi. Ame na ko wuka. Ba lolololo. Ame nyose.
Man must survive.
Well, maybe I can like a side chick ne. Amena member bio. Here assume alone here near bio. I'm assuming.
Bible like there will be a time when women would rush to men that I just want to bear your name. Don't give me your money, don't give me your wealth, don't give me anything. I just want to bear your name, just marry me. And a lot of men will take a lot of women. So maybe the end time is coming. Whether it is the men of late, some of the women even propose to the men. Yeah. That's what's exactly. I think our women or our mothers or our wives, they need to be taught. They need to be taught. Okay, on social media, some of these girls come and be there. Okay, a responsible man is snatched from a lazy woman. We are not plenty, and I will not say that because we are not plenty, so men should misbehave. But if you don't hold your home, because now in Africa we are understanding the aspects of customary marriage. A lot of men, if they know the law, they will not go for ordinance. They will not go for, at least for their peace of mind. Even if he wants to marry only one woman, he won't go for ordinance because he like a woman only. Okay, this is the only wife this is the only man I have, and I'm the only wife. It is perceived that a lot of confusion. So you want his peace of mind.
See, on a care and the ordinances ne Christopher Waji maybe feel.
I'm a Ken, I can Bible like also for Jimmy.
Oh, and quali Christopher pa Baba Honi feel. In Pashi Akesi Timo thank my Christopher because
you want to push me into talking about polygamy. We'll talk about it. Christopher the fear, but you see, it is Paul, Peter. Is it Peter? Yes, Peter is Paul. So it's only Paul, yeah. When he came to say, it was Paul. When he came to say that, when he was giving the precedence, as in the law, they marry one day. Also, say, "Who per se who be elder and now software and now who pay Juma pa?" That was criteria. Worry back. It wasn't mandatory. It was a choice. Yes.
See, Balashile me, be J. Nyumbo ito na keshi ake ye enyo.
You want to take me there? How many wives did Solomon, David, Abraham, and the rest? I think Sarah had a competitor, Hagar.
Situation.
It is different from now.
Jane will come be a Solomon. No, onye oka keshini Solomon fe na kan iwo. Oba to Solomon no ni oka fe ja ke Solomon bona e no ni afi ye.
Ofane.
E ma fe no kwamu awa keshi wo ko e no waka jo Solomon je we.
Ofane. There's something in this our law that states that you can't take one part of the instrument, accept it, and reject the other part. Yes, it is in law. You can't take a part. I can't have a will I can't kebo property no yo keke asimashi ni mimi property e nke habo shimbo ke bo property e osumo oka ni akeke asimashi oke no hu oke hale. You get it? No, you can't reject part of the will and take some. The Bible is one. You can't reject the Old Testament and accept the New Testament and say otherwise. We should read the Bible well. See, I think the pastors should go, or we the pastors, we should go from an angle telling people that polygamy is a choice. There are consequences. Okay, already David, Solomon, and all of them, they will tell you that latter end they face challenges. But we the youth, we read just the surface. You marry 700, your wives, many marry 3. Sarah, I was just telling Sarah and Hagar, and then God said that Abraham is a man after my own heart, but there were consequences. So we should rather tell them it is a choice. Now, He has given us the opportunity to choose. The youth should understand that polygamy is a choice. When you choose it, there are consequences. It is better, just like Paul said, live with one woman. One woman, but if you choose to have a side chick, do your things well. Maybe because they give you peace of mind. You get it? But when we bracket it and make it look like if you do polygamy, it is a sin. nipa ko a started ye no kra na Abraham ne papa Nyankopon say no he's a man after his own heart. Abraham Solomon said David o say adenti na wukun Uriah yere no nanka your ba na opa mama wo bebre nka kana me ma wo bebre nka ho. So you say God was mistaken when he was saying that. I'm not saying polygamy is good, but it is a choice.
It is a choice.
Yeah.
But like I know na me fear bona Bible like ba ni wa ya fe na kan e ke ba je me wo ke kasemi en la kan shi da money amete ame adam wo ka no je ni draw money amena la kan draw mo solo mo draw mo mwe solo eja ka ma me bia me she pon gba
na ke ota no check it topic here, but I am ready for this line of questions. Oh, so you want to say that there was a different grace that was given to them, and there is another different grace that was given to us. It's another subject matter that I'm very much interested in. I want us to go deeper. But now, the legal matter on the table is what is happening, side chicks and main chicks. What is happening that is disturbing our society or is helping some people. You get it? And
it's helping some people.
Oh yeah, it's helping some people. Somebody has sacked the husband from the house, and it was a side chick that helped, or else or else the man would have died. That Lumba could have died 10 years earlier. It could have. Yes. Somebody sacked the husband from the house because you went and you came home at 2 a.m. So go back to where you came from. Go back to. And when he went back to the side chick and he slept in air condition. So
serious.
That matter, we'll talk about it. But for now, I'm very interested in this Daddy Lumba and his case because it will show us the position, because the law has a lot of rulings on this, or principles on this subject matter. You can marry your husband for some time, like you said. I like your point. And then after marrying him, you go. As soon as he dies, then you come and take. When you finish, marry another person to be a very profitable venture. Or you can even marry him, kill him, and come back. And then when you take him, marry along and kill him and come back. So I would want us to.
Well, crack over na me ye no ne sani bia ne e court ni sani e ka mlahi ne make ani enganupa property wo eba alo mini wo because no ebe don
Can obi me, in my opinion, I will sit and say property because when the man was ill, you brought a letter to dissolve the marriage, and he actually did an action per the content of the letter and per the response. So if it is the man you are fighting for to maintain your status as a wife, the man is dead. And even in the letter he states the kind of properties near tower. It was outlined. Yes, in the letter that is circulating there. So I would say property. You get it? And Odobro need to has a stake. Of course, of course, that's why she's also there. I would not say that she doesn't love Daddy Dumba. I can't say that. Of course, but
we can left for
6. In the 3, 6, 9. Okay, the other one. Sally, the game is good. You have to look at that venture.
Oh, okay. You be a liken be no be a feta. Yeah. Masumoni ona be wie mo. Alo she wie mo no oken ha. Me fe ni ye side check. Ni waseke amebe e ba gba amena because ke amale la kan mo ko be ba gbe mo ko be. Mo ko ya ba ko properties. No one ngaye.
I'm a Christian. I go by the Bible's principles. There's Old and New Testament. There are choices, but be careful of your choice. If you want to manage your choice, you can manage it well. But when it comes to the legality, if you want to marry plenty, go for customary marriage. If you marry ordinance marriage and you have a side chick, know how to manage your things well. If you want to convert to Islamic, do 4. We all have choices. Let's not let our choices kill us.
You want to agwante no my job yo abladia bi what can say ni ye leke aplanke yeli he moko yin echonde e kudo echonde oko ba ye aplanke bia ne e ba wala ke aplanke ye ame he toni ye wode ni ame kudo iwo ni kudo lo ehun ke amenme ame ha aplanke ye na me wata toni ye se ni amekudo wan kpafa ipi keji oye fatalo ni osumole tei kashile ni keji bongo lake side chick alo aplanke obaye bo mode no ya planke ni bokobe ni ejolo yoyi si aplanke ni la ye na to play court ye e ba shapo bokobaye se da mo de ba he no ni fi no wonyani wayi alejogba keke ewa ene ya ke ha wonyimi men ni ameye gbalashin lemlin ninu efo da no tajo oyare won a ke wo mi bo din che ochuo ni ono ni oye keke nu egbu keke o te se ko bo ma fi okunla because of properties and no because of me ana ke se bo mu ona yala benu ele mi kan ko meto ele me maka ke se be nu bo gbele nya wo kwa ene ni wo ya no jogba po na fe ni ewawo ni wo se wo ka ante leken shidamo he wali yake si okawaye be nyumo ajowo Mr. Nsa nyumo ajowo baba ho na kan no ko te shambi nga mesi sansa akeshi inu yeche sin lake nyumo dromo na no fiano mi yale jogba apa me wasa no ka fa ipa moji ake nyumo hani eye yo ablari abi akyo aye fe oti aya logo eba eyeto ofele ede ke otite ni ebane na wo obasa wo pe ni wo ke Aayɛ Ŋkɔmɔ Aajwɛŋ shia na me pe Aayɛ Ŋkɔmɔ ye ni bia ne no adwon ye ni wo twa ni tuya ngbe ke mishe nye ke shia kwemo juro
Mashi TV Aajwɛŋ